So I'm just going to let you talk. Imagine someone's coming to their site and
that I was telling someone.
somebody who is totally unfamiliar with the exhibits.
Okay. And it doesn't have to be, because you can cut.
I'm
So
going to
I
cut,
can just
edit,
talk
splice.
and
Yeah, you
talk,
tie.
whatever
Yeah,
I
talk
want.
whatever. Like,
Do you
introducing
wanna say
someone.
that it's sponsored by St. Louis University?
We certainly
Would
could.
be good.
Sure. So if you had 2 minutes to describe somebody, what do you have going on here? How would you say?
Are we on?
We're on.
Okay, all
We're
right.
good.
Okay, so Allies for Inclusion, the Ability exhibit is a national traveling exhibit. It's multimedia and it is interactive. And it was originally developed by a student in a graduate class 5 years ago at St. Louis University. And now it has become a national traveling exhibit that has been coast to coast at over 50 institutions in the United States. What it is comprised of, it's comprised of 10 stations, and some of those include the disability movement, which gives the history of disability. We have person first language, where we're talking about inclusive language. We have universal design station, about making things accessible for all people. We have we have an invisible disability station talking about various types of invisible disabilities, a celebrity station, celebrities with disabilities, a computer quiz station where we're asking people to quiz themselves about disability awareness and inclusion. And one of the most popular stations is the Do You Know Someone with a Disability, where we ask people if they know someone with a visual, physical, hearing disability, etc. And by putting a stone in a jar, and that is something that is a very visible exercise, and showing that a lot of people do know people with disabilities without even forget that.
Outtakes.
Started,
Yeah, you did so well.
Well,
You're like on one
it's a
attempt.
really good one. Okay, yes. Did we?
I think you
bring
probably
it
got.
down. Did I bring
Yeah.
it? Did I
I think
end
you-
a sentence?
Maybe just conclude with.
I want to talk about the video.
Okay.
Can I just
Yeah,
say
let's
about
just go.
the videos?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Also in the exhibit we have at least 4 videos, and one on the Americans with Disabilities Act. One is on how to communicate with people with disabilities. It's actually quite humorous. We have Amy Mullen's 12 Pairs of Legs TED Talk that is outstanding. She's a motivational speaker, athlete, and model. And then we have an iPad where we have the story of a student who has a hearing disability, who is at St. Louis University and plays soccer in the Deaf Olympics. So, okay, and another, pause. Another very popular and new addition to the Ability exhibit is the assistive aids station. Another new... Oh, shoot.
You're doing
So
great.
good.
No, you're doing great.
All right, hang on. Our newest station is assistive aid station, and this is where visitors can actually touch and pick up and use various aids for people with disabilities.